All right, that took all of 30 seconds. Like I said, it's just 2 bolts right there, right there. This thing, always take it from the bottom first, and then it slides out. And then a little pigtail right there, and that's pretty much it. And the little shroud, this thing just pops off. First time you do it, it's a total boner. After one time, it comes off pretty easily. And this is what I meant when I said I dyed mad at the whole back of it. Huge game changer. Doing this for sound dampening, for your speaker, because the stub is in the door. It's stupid. Helps a lot. All right.